In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Python on your Mac computer. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we need to open any browser. I'm going to use Safari browser for this video. And then I'm going to access google.com. And once we are in the google.com, then we have to start typing Python. And then hit return key of our keyboard to search Python. And here if we scroll down a little bit, we'll see that python.org is there. The first two links, these are actually sponsored ad, so don't click over there, just go to this site python.org, then click here. It will open python.org. Now to download it, the easiest option is to press this downloads button. I'm going to click here and it will bring the download page. Here it will show us the latest version for Python, which will be the Mac OS. Basically, I'm using Mac OS, that's why it is showing like this. But if you are planning to download other version, this is the other version, which is older version. Basically, right now the latest is 3.13.7, the other version is 3.14.13, like this way. Now I'm going to install the latest version, so we have to press this button, download Python 3.13.7, and once we click here, Safari will start downloading this software, and you will see it is downloaded inside this downloads folder. Now I'm going to access this downloads folder, and I don't need this browser anymore, so I'm going to close this browser. Now I'm going to access the downloads folder from Finder, and this is the downloads folder, and here I see that pkg file, which is the Python installer is there. Now we need to install it. To install it, we just need to double click over here or double tap, and very shortly it will open like this, install Python. So this is the main screen for installation. So I'm going to press the continue button, and very shortly it is showing us the readme file. So we have to continue by pressing this continue button, and then again it is the license. We must have to agree this license, and then we have to click the continue button, and it is asking to continue installing the software. You must agree to the terms of the software license agreement. So we need to agree with these terms and conditions. So I'm going to press this button, agree button. Once I press the agree button, it will go to this screen, and here it is showing the standard install of Macintosh HD, which is the Mac HD basically, and it is showing like how much space is required. It is almost 200 megabyte of space to install Python. Basically, it is showing like that. Then I'm going to press the next button, the install button, basically to continue the installation. And once I press this thing, a progress bar, not the progress bar, it will ask us the password. So I'm going to type the password for my Mac over here, and then I'm going to press the install software button, and it will start installation of the software. It will take few seconds to 1 minute to install this software, and very shortly, once the installation is complete, it will open like this. This is actually Python 3.13. All the details are there, like Python launcher and agreement, and also some other things like idle is also there. So I'm going to close this thing because I don't need it anymore. I'm going to close it also, and now this window I also don't need. I'm going to minimize this thing, and this is the install Python confirmation page. That means it is giving us the message like the installation was completed successfully. That means our Python installation is successful, and this is the version 3.13.7 version. Okay, so I'm going to close this thing. To close this thing, installation window, I'm going to press the close button to close this thing, and it's asking, do you want to move the Python installer to the trash? So basically what it is telling me, if we open the Finder here, this is the installer, right? So after the installation, we don't need this installer anymore. So Mac has this good feature, so once you're done with this installation, it will remove this thing so that it will save some space. So I'm going to press this move to trash button, and very shortly it will be removed, and here I see it's missing over there. That means it is deleted. Now it's time to check the Python, whether it is installed properly on our Mac or not. So to do this thing, we can go different ways, but the easiest way is to click this magnifying icon, which is called the spotlight search. I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to start typing terminal, and very shortly we'll see terminal is there. We just need to click here, and the terminal window will be opened. Now here we need to type Python 3, then space dash dash version, and we have to hit the return key of our keyboard. and if the Python install is successful, then it will be there. So basically I'm going to increase the size so that you can easily read it. So here it is showing Python 3 dash dash version, and it is showing this is the version which you installed, 3.13.7. And that's it. In this way we can easily download and install Python on our Mac computer.